You've probably heard the term buy down floating around the mortgage world lately. What does it exactly mean? A buy down is a seller concession that allows the buyer to have a lower monthly payment for the first years of the mortgage term. The two most affordable buy down programs available are the 2-1 buy down and the 3-2-1 buy down. With a 2-1 buy down, your effective interest rate is lowered by 2 percentage points the first year and 1 percentage point the second year. For example, if you secure a 7% interest rate, your first year you'll only pay 5% and then 6% your second year. The third and final years will go to the 7%. The 3-2-1 buy down works the same way, except you have the ability to have your effective interest rate lowered by 3 percentage points starting the first year. The beauty of these programs is the cost associated with the interest rate buy down is typically paid by the seller. And if you refinance the mortgage within the buy down period, any funds left over that were not used will come back to you in the form of a principal reduction. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me, it's true and it works. Give me a call and I'll tell you more about it.